Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm just going to quickly explain how does the Chime debit card work. So let's dive into it. The Chime debit card works just like a traditional bank card, but it's linked to your Chime checking account, which is managed entirely online. Once you open a Chime account, you will receive a Visa debit card that you can use for purchases like bills payment and ATM withdrawals. You can fund your account through direct deposit, bank transfer, or mobile check deposit in the Chime app. The card works anywhere Visa is accepted, and you can track your spending instantly through a real-time transaction alert. So one of the main pick of the Chime debit card is there are no monthly fee, and you can get paid up to 2 days early with direct deposit. Plus, Chime offer a fee-free withdrawals at thousands of ATMs. However, since it's an online bank, there are no physical branch, so all account management is done through the app or the website. Overall, it's simple, convenient, and low-cost way to handle your money. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.